Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Imagine a kitchen bathed in light and elegance. This is the essence of a white limestone kitchen design. The natural beauty of the stone takes center stage, creating a clean and sophisticated backdrop for your culinary creations. Here's a glimpse into this design aesthetic: classic elegance with a modern edge, limestone countertops, the star of the show. White limestone countertops offer timeless elegance with a touch of warmth. Their creamy tones add a touch of luxury and create a light and airy feel. Opt for honed limestone for a more matte finish that hides fingerprints well, or a polished finish for a sleeker look. Cabinetry: for a truly sophisticated look, pair the limestone countertops with crisp white cabinets. This creates a clean and modern aesthetic, allowing the natural beauty of the stone to shine. Shaker-style cabinets offer a timeless look, while flat-panel cabinets create a sleek, minimalist feel. Warmth and texture: wood accents, balance the cool tones of the limestone with warm wood accents. This can be through butcher block countertops on an island, open shelving with wood frames, or wood elements incorporated into the cabinetry design. Flooring: light-colored hardwood floors or large, light-toned tiles complement the white limestone beautifully. This creates a seamless flow throughout the kitchen and enhances the feeling of openness. Metallic touches: introduce a touch of glam with hardware in brushed nickel, chrome, or brass. This adds a touch of personality and complements the clean lines of the design. Functionality and light: under-cabinet lighting. Ensure ample task lighting by incorporating under-cabinet lighting. This is essential for illuminating countertops and making food preparation easier. Pendant lights: pendant lights over the sink or breakfast bar add a decorative touch and provide additional task lighting. Large windows: maximize natural light with large windows. This not only brightens the space but also allows the natural beauty of the limestone to be showcased. Overall feel: the white limestone kitchen design is all about creating a space that is both functional and beautiful. It's a space that inspires creativity in the kitchen and fosters a sense of light and openness. Here are some additional elements to consider. Backsplash: elevate your backsplash with a statement tile in white subway tile, a mosaic pattern in complementary colors, or even a continuation of the white limestone itself. Stainless steel appliances: stainless steel appliances add a sleek and modern touch that complements the white limestone beautifully. Greenery: introduce a touch of life with herbs planted in window boxes or small potted plants on countertops. By incorporating these elements, you can create a white limestone kitchen that is both stylish and functional, a perfect space for culinary adventures. Upgrading your kitchen with white limestone offers a multitude of benefits, transforming it into a space that's both aesthetically pleasing and functionally sound. Here's a breakdown of the reasons why white limestone makes a fantastic choice for your kitchen design: timeless beauty and sophistication, classic elegance. White limestone offers timeless elegance that never goes out of style. The natural veining and creamy tones add a touch of luxury, creating a sophisticated backdrop for your kitchen. Versatility across styles: limestone's versatility allows it to complement various design styles. It pairs beautifully with white cabinets for a modern look, or with butcher block accents for a more rustic charm. Light and airy ambience: the light color of the limestone reflects light, making your kitchen feel spacious and open. This is especially beneficial for smaller kitchens. Durability and functionality: long-lasting investment. Limestone is a naturally durable material that can withstand everyday wear and tear in a busy kitchen. With proper care, it will maintain its beauty for years to come. Heat resistance: limestone is naturally heat resistant, making it a suitable choice for countertops near cooktops, though using trivets for hot pots is always recommended. Easy maintenance. The smooth surface of honed limestone makes it relatively easy to clean. Spills and stains can be wiped away with mild soap and water. Additional advantages: increased property value. A well-designed kitchen featuring white limestone countertops can significantly increase your property value, particularly for buyers seeking a high-end and timeless look. Natural beauty with character. Over time, limestone develops a beautiful patina, adding to its unique character and charm. This natural aging process enhances the stone's beauty. Potential for improved air quality. Limestone is a naturally occurring material that doesn't trap allergens or dust mites as much as some other materials, potentially improving indoor air quality. While considering other materials, keep in mind that white limestone offers a unique combination of aesthetics, functionality, and durability. It creates a kitchen that's not only beautiful but also built to last. Here's a roadmap to kickstart designing your dream white limestone kitchen. 1. Define your style and budget. Modern minimalist versus rustic chic. Determine the overall style you want to achieve. Limestone can work with both: modern, crisp white cabinets, clean lines, stainless steel appliances; rustic chic, butcher block accents, open shelving with wood frames, warmer toned hardware. Budgeting for beauty. Limestone countertops can be a significant investment. Factor in the cost of the stone itself, fabrication, installation, as well as cabinetry, appliances, and other elements. 2. Inspiration and research. Material selection. Research different types of white limestone finishes. Honed finishes hide fingerprints better, while polished finishes offer a sleeker look. Consider how the finish will complement your desired style. Browse for inspiration. Scour online resources, magazines, and design websites for white limestone kitchen inspiration. Find examples that showcase your preferred style and how different elements are incorporated. Professional help. Optional. Consider consulting a kitchen designer or architect. They can help create a cohesive design plan, source materials, and ensure optimal functionality for your space. 3. Planning the layout. Measure and sketch. Measure your kitchen and sketch a basic layout. This helps visualize the placement of appliances, countertops, cabinets, and ensures proper workflow. The kitchen triangle. Prioritize functionality. Plan the layout with functionality in mind. Ensure a smooth flow between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. Traffic flow. Allocate enough space for comfortable movement around the kitchen. Avoid creating cramped areas or blocking walkways. 4. Choosing materials and finishes. Cabinetry. For a modern look, pair white limestone with crisp white cabinets in shaker or flat panel styles. Consider darker cabinets for a more dramatic contrast. Flooring. Light-colored hardwood floors or large, light-toned tiles complement the limestone beautifully. Opt for slip-resistant materials for safety. Hardware. Brushed nickel, chrome, or brass hardware add a touch of personality and complement the clean lines of the design. 5. Lighting design. Layered lighting. Incorporate a combination of lighting for optimal functionality and ambience. Task lighting. Include under-cabinet lighting for illuminating countertops and pendant lights over the sink or breakfast bar. Natural light. Maximize natural light with large windows whenever possible. Remember, this is a starting point. Personalize it with pops of color through backsplashes, artwork, or accessories. Order samples of the limestone and cabinetry materials to see how they interact in your lighting. Enjoy the process. Designing your dream kitchen should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. Bonus tip: consider incorporating a farmhouse sink made of fireclay or cast iron. It adds a touch of rustic charm that complements the natural beauty of white limestone. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.